You lay a perfect bead, flip up your dark hood, and the shop boss hires you on the spot. It feels like job security, but passing that shop test does not make you a certified professional. It makes you a qualified welder for that specific company. This table breaks down the difference. A qualified status works for your current job, but is non-transferable. A certified welder is globally recognized. If you leave, your qualification stays locked inside that shop, forcing you to start over from scratch. True career autonomy requires a third-party certification. It proves your skill to the market, rather than relying on a single company's internal sign-off. That third-party validation comes from national governing bodies, primarily the American Welding Society or the American Petroleum Institute. But looking at their catalogs introduces a new problem. You face a maze of acronyms: CW, CWI, CWS, CRWT. Pick the wrong path for your current experience level, and you will spend thousands of dollars out of pocket and months studying for an exam you cannot use. This flowchart maps exactly where you need to focus. Your next step depends on where you stand today: under 5 years in the trade, over 5 years and staying on the tools, or over 5 years and transitioning off the tools. Approaching this strategically keeps your capital in your pocket and ensures your credential aligns with your actual career timeline. If you are in your first 5 years, your main friction point is convincing an employer you know what you are doing before they let you burn expensive materials. Your target is the AWS Certified Welder, or CW, designation. You will spend anywhere from a few hundred to $1,000 and pass a practical, hands-on performance test at an accredited test facility. You walk away with a globally recognized credential that proves baseline competence. It crosses state lines and lets you walk onto high-rise structural sites with verified proof of your skill. The trade-off is the administrative upkeep. The CW program operates under a strict 6-month rule of continuity. If you stop using your qualified welding process for more than 6 months, your certification expires. While it is the ultimate entry ticket to the industry, it demands continuous physical practice and paperwork to stay valid. Once you hit the 5-year mark, you face the threat of wage stagnation. If you want to keep working with your hands, you have to break out of standard fabrication. Your path is premium specialization, tackling strict codes like API 577 or passing a 6G fixed pipe test. This requires elite physical mastery. You will work in environments where failing to adhere to code specifications results in the immediate rejection of your weld. Passing these tests unlocks zero-defect industries like oil, gas, and aerospace. Those sectors command the highest hourly rates in the field. There is an alternative upward path if you want to stay on the tools: the Certified Robotic Arc Welding, or CWOW, credential. Mastering and programming these systems pays highly because it bridges traditional arc welding knowledge with modern, high-volume manufacturing. Doubling your income without leaving the tools requires moving into zero-defect environments or mastering the machines that threaten manual jobs. 10 or 15 years of breathing fumes and holding awkward positions takes a severe physical toll on your body. Your off-ramp from the physical grind lies in advanced professional credentials: the certified welding inspector, supervisor, or educator. To achieve them, you give up the torch. You will invest thousands of dollars in prep courses and pass grueling written exams testing code interpretation and metallurgy. You are trading back-breaking daily labor for high-stakes legal liability. You sign your name to the integrity of the structure. You transition into leadership roles offering immediate physical relief, upper-tier salary brackets, and the ability to extend your career by decades. These professional certifications act as a physical bailout. They let veterans leverage years of muscle memory into lucrative, brain-driven oversight roles. To make a final decision, we must weigh the upfront effort against the long-term financial payoff. This chart maps out the certifications we've discussed. The vertical axis measures earning potential, and the horizontal axis tracks study effort. The foundational CW certification sits in the bottom left. It requires low academic study effort and yields a baseline professional income. In the top left, premium specialists holding API or 6G credentials skip intense textbook study, reaching massive earnings through physical skill. Over in the top right, veteran roles, like inspectors and supervisors, demand extreme academic study, but deliver high management salaries. The chart reveals a hard truth. Maximizing your income requires committing to either elite physical specialization or intense academic study. Right now, a massive wave of the workforce is retiring. That creates a vacuum of opportunity for anyone holding the right paperwork. If you are early in your career, spend the couple $100s to get your baseline CW and secure your autonomy from day one. If you are mid-career, target the specialist codes or robotic credentials to fill the highly paid gaps left by the retiring generation. If you are a veteran, start studying for your inspector or supervisor exams now before your body forces you to quit. Relying on an employer to qualify you is a risk. True professionals invest in their own certification to own their future.